MX Linux 23.5 is here, bringing exciting updates, enhanced performance, and more flexibility for users. This latest release is based on the Debian 12.9 Bookworm Foundation and features the Xfce 4.20 desktop environment. Alongside Xfce, you also get the KDE 5.27 and Fluxbox 1.3.7 desktops, ensuring there's a flavor for everyone. The standard Xfce, KDE, and Fluxbox ISOs come powered by the Debian 6.1123 kernel. However, for users with newer hardware, the Advanced Hardware Support AHS version includes the Liquorix 6.12.8 kernel, offering better support and automatic updates. MX Linux 23.5 isn't just about kernel updates, it also includes various visual enhancements, updated language support, and important security fixes. Even the MX Raspberry Pi Respin has been refreshed with the latest packages from the MX and Raspberry Pi OS repositories. Let's dive into some key highlights. 3 desktop versions: Xfce 4.20, KDE 5.27, and Fluxbox 1.3.7, with MX Fluxbox 4.0. Enhanced hardware support, improved compatibility for Realtek Wi-Fi devices, and automatic detection for most Broadcom drivers. Upgraded software: Firefox 134.0, VLC 3.0.21, Strawberry 1.1.3, Thunderbird 128.0, and LibreOffice 7.4.7. Hibernation enabled by default to improve usability. Updated MX tools with new features and tweaks. Expanded localization support across MX apps, ensuring a seamless experience for users worldwide. Additionally, MX Linux 23.5 brings access to new apps via the MX Test repository and includes fallback modes in the installer for better reliability. This is the 5th update in the 23.x series, and it's clear the MX Linux team is committed to delivering a robust and user-friendly experience. Whether you're using the standard desktop editions or the Raspberry Pi Respin, MX Linux 23.5 has something for everyone. Explore the latest features and experience the smooth performance of MX Linux 23.5 today.